You got the rope?
No.
You should have it. Or hold on to the rock really good. Just don't let it get loose and then you go flying. Oh, gee. Okay, and then you just come up there and there's a little outcropping where you're gonna bump your head if you're not careful. Right
Up there?
towards me. See right there how it jets out? Yeah. Oh, gee. This is pretty cool. Yeah, just don't hit your head on that. Okay, I think you're just about home free.
Now which way do you go? Around?
Yeah, just go around there. It's easy now. You can just say,
You're just seeing yourself.